Hey guys, a brand new training video on how to use Mints. So basically, when you log into your Mints account, you're going to arrive at the Mints application dashboard, and it will look something like this. It's actually very easy to use. Now, for me to add a campaign, or to pull in your funnel, or however you want to call it, it's actually very simple. Just go up to the top right-hand corner where you see the blue plus button and click it. So when you click on it, it's going to load these three options here. In fact, it's likely that the very first time you log into your account, you'll see these three options here, or something very similar. But if you've logged into your account and you've already created some funnels, and you don't see any of these options, just remember you can go to this blue plus option here, click it, and you'll be good to go. When you open it up, you're going to have these three different types of campaign. There's the binary poll, there's the multi-poll, and there's the rating option. So, depending on the needs you have, you should choose the appropriate option. It's all about what you want to do. Whatever your goal is, whatever your final target is, your niche, your audience, the kind of campaign you want to run, that tells you what option you want to pick from here. To make this as easy as possible, I'm just going to choose the binary option. It's pretty much the easiest, and of course the most used as well. Let's say we want to add something about a vacation. I could say anything like, where would you like to spend your summer? We could say something like that, or maybe I'm trying to sell a vacation package, or maybe something to do with lifestyle, a resort package of some sort, or a similar service or product, whatever it is. So I just enter something like that, okay? Just remember that there are about 64 characters that you can enter into the field here, and the number of characters remaining is shown in this box. So now we're going to click on Add Image. If you already had an image on your desktop, just click here to add it. Or if the image is available via a URL, such as on Google, then just choose the tab here and you can specify the URL at which the image is found. There's also the option to choose an image from the library, where if you've already uploaded something, you can choose from here. It's all very simple. Just grab it and put it in there. Or maybe you want to search for something. So let's do that. Let's search for Bahamas. You can load more images if you don't find what you're looking for, and keep clicking the Load More button if you don't find what you're looking for. And keep clicking the Load More button if you don't find something you like. So, I like this one, so I just click it. If you like it, but you want to resize it or place it properly, you can just drag it around a bit. I want to find something else from the Bahamas. Let me just do that quickly. Okay, that's better. Now, I'm going to return to the search field and find something related to the Maldives. Okay, so now I have the Bahamas and the Maldives. Looking great. But do remember one thing, and this is really important. You can import your own images. It's totally up to you. You can upload it from your own computer or use a direct link. Anything that works for you or you feel is better. Now, we're going to scroll down here, where we can do things like customize the color and font of the text. I'm going to change the color of the text here, for example. So you can see the text has changed now, and I want the other text in yellow, so I just changed this. Now, I'm going to go ahead and choose the background color. One sec. Okay, so now that's looking better. Now, maybe I can try putting this on a black background. Now, if people are arriving at my funnel, I need to choose where they're going to go afterwards. If they click on the Bahamas, I want to send them somewhere that is different to if they chose the Maldives. And this is very easy to do. You can do this by choosing an auto redirect. I need to choose the links for the Bahamas and the Maldives here. So I'll just type those in now. Now, if I don't want to do that, and maybe I just want to request an opt-in, I can do that by choosing this option here. When I do that, I'm presented with a form for the opt-in text that visitors should see. So I'm going to type in something here. Congrats! You won a free weekend to the Maldives. Now, unfortunately, if I just use this option the way it is, regardless of what the visitor chooses, i.e. Bahamas or Maldives, they're going to get the same thing. but we're trying to capture these guys and put them on different lists, so we need to separate them based on the action they take. So I'm going to come down here and uncheck this box that says use the same opt-in contents. You see what happens now? What happens is that the two different options pop up, one for Bahamas and one for the Maldives. I can now configure them, so let's do that. So, you can optimize things so that we can get really specific with getting people into the right list. And you can choose the button text as well here. Something like Book Flight Now. We can customize the button color and all that stuff. Then you choose your email list. We can choose Get Response lists, and you will see I can choose one of my lists from my Get Response account. This is just a test account, but once you are connected, you're going to see a bunch of lists appear, and you can choose where to add each subscriber when they opt into your mailing list. For this example, I'm just going to go back and choose an auto redirect and add 2 links. Bear in mind that everything I'm putting in here is just an example, and do remember that there are loads of other options like the display banner, which is perfect for people who sell e-commerce products online. It's very powerful for them, as you can add things like Shop Now, Add to Cart, and Buy Now that are activated every time someone votes. And you have the option to share so that people can share on social media as well and hopefully generate more traffic. So once I'm done, I can click Preview. This will show me exactly what we've created. We can see it for desktop, mobile phones, and then we can see how it's optimized automatically for landscape view on mobile phones as well. If you're happy with what you see, just return to Edit and we should be able to save it. Okay, so once it's saved, we can see this area here that says Activity Stream, which is empty. So the only thing remaining is to actually publish our work. Click on Share and Embed if you want to publish it. Now you can see we have multiple publish options here. iframe, script, web page. Let's look at web page for a moment. What happens here when we click on it? We host these themes for you automatically. It basically tells you that Emma, which is the name of my account, would like to know. And remember, if your name is Matt, it would say Matt here, and have your logo by the side, saying Matt would like to know. And then we can see our question, where would you like to spend your summer, followed by Bahamas or Maldives. So if I want to choose, I click the relevant option. The vote here is registered automatically once it's clicked, and I'm sent off to the URL I specified earlier, i.e. Maldives.com. Let's go back to the dashboard. If I reload this page, the activity stream should update to see the activity we just registered a moment ago. I'm going to show you one I've already activated and used earlier. But one more thing first. If you click Share and Embed, you will see Facebook, Twitter, and sharing via Google+. What this allows you to do is share the content, whatever you've created, on the newsfeed of these social networks. The most powerful of these so far is Facebook, because it allows you to instantly share it. Your audience is able to interact with this directly within the newsfeed of Facebook, unlike Twitter and Google+, which uses cards, which involves redirecting and asking you to then take action. So it's as simple as just clicking on the share option and filling in the details on the Facebook pop-up. You would fill in your details as normal, and then you can choose how you want to share it. I'm just going to close this because it's just an example. When I initiate it, the audience can start interacting directly with your campaigns, your funnels. If I scroll down here, we can already see something in activity which shows what I chose earlier. It has all the options I chose. The answers to where would you like to spend your summer, Maldives, Bahamas, whatever I chose appears here in the activity stream. So, these iframe and script options give you more options on how you want to publish your campaign. That might be on your website, it could be on a landing page, wherever you want it. If you don't know how to post it on your site, ask someone with a bit of technical knowledge and ask them to do it for you. It's really easy. And boom, you'll have it ready to go on your site. I'm going to show you one more area now, collections. So let me click on collections here. So, as you guys already know, with collections as with auto redirect URL, all platinum features are available here. If you don't have the platinum edition of Mints, you won't see the options here. Now you can see that for this account, I haven't created any collections yet. What's a collection? It's a bundle of your polls or your funnels, so you can build something more addictive, more concrete. Maybe you want to bundle together a bunch of campaigns like where they want to spend their summer, where they eat, etc. Collections allow you to do just that. So I'll go ahead and add a new collection. Here, I can see all the polls I have available to me now. Click the boxes and they get added to your collection. And the good thing is that you can literally just drag and drop. Maybe I want this to be here or there. I can rearrange things so it looks right. You just drag and drop. Then you just add the collection name. Then save. You can copy it, publish it, however you want to use it. It's all very easy. Now, let me show you something else inside your Mints app account which is very powerful. It's important you know how to use this. Within your account, click on this arrow here. It brings up an option to choose My Account. Click it. It takes you to your profile, which is where you can add your password, a logo, and other info. Here's what is important. When you click on Email Apps, it's going to show you all the email services that you can connect to. At the moment, we only have Get Responses connected, and we are continually adding new services and features here. At the moment, we have 8 available from Aweber, MailChimp, Benchmark, Campaign Monitor, Active Campaign, iContact, and Constant Contact. These are the top guys, so we hope you will find who you need here, but we'll be adding more as we improve the platform. These applications can help you collect leads, which is really powerful. Even if you don't have an email app service, we've built in a feature right into this platform called My Subscribers. So even if you don't have an email app service active, whenever someone subscribes, it collects their details such as full name, email address, and what they subscribe to, etc. Whenever you want, you can check whoever has signed up and export them. Upload it wherever you like, and do whatever you want with them. This platform is so easy to use. But as you guys know, we will be helping you and we're here for the long haul. If you have any questions, just send us an email and we'll do our best to respond and help you achieve massive results with this platform. Thank you and speak soon.